Good morning, guys. I am Páll Jökull from Landscape Photography Iceland, and I'm going to do a short video about Geysir, our geothermal area, hot springs, and you can see them here behind me, maybe. I'm going to show you a few of those hot spots. The mid-Atlantic ridge cut Iceland into two parts, actually, drifting away from each other at 2 centimeters per year. The geothermal areas in Iceland are divided into high and low temperature areas, depending on nature of the geothermal system. The high temperature areas are within the volcanic zone. The low temperature ones are outside it. Geysir is in a high temperature geothermal area with a base temperature around 250 degrees Celsius. It is approximately 3 square kilometers at the surface, and the temperature of the hot springs are up to 100 degrees Celsius, and you need to take very good care when you're in the area. There's a few Icelandic families here now, but not much more. The Geysir geothermal, which was erupting pretty high, like 70-80 meters, but it hasn't erupted since 2000. Something happened in an earthquake in that year, 2000. Something must have shifted underground. But the Strokkur, which you can see over here, is erupting regularly. I've been here like for 1 hour, and I think I've seen 7 or 8 eruptions in that time. It is erupting up to 25, maybe 35 meters if it's a good one. When you're shooting those geothermal hot springs, you get the glare on the water so you don't see to the bottom. So then it's good to have a polarizer to cut the glare. And then you see the rocks under the water. And I think I got a couple of shots, so I'm going to show you. There are a few pools like this on the area at Geysir. This one is called Blesi, and it's at boiling point, about 100 degrees hot, so it's steaming all the time. Down here on the left is the Strokkur, and it's sometimes a good spot here to see it when it erupts. So I'm using a polarizer on my camera now. I'm just gonna rotate it and you see what happens if I rotate this way. And that's, you can see through the water, but here is the sky reflecting on the water, so you cannot see the bottom. But if I turn it a little further, you can see the rocks below. So that's basically how the polarizer works. The temperature here is 80 till 100 degrees Celsius. So it's not good to fall in. Actually, you should not go anywhere near it. Just to be safe, there's a rope that keeps people out. So I'm standing next to one of those pools in the area. You can see there's steam coming out, so this is around 80 up to 100 degrees Celsius. It is quite strange to be here with not that many people around. Usually when I come here, I'm with my photo tour clients and we try to set up our tripod next to Strokkur. It's almost impossible. There are so many people around. So sometimes you just can't take a photo, or you have to squeeze in between people. Yeah, I'm waiting. Maybe you noticed I'm still waiting for that one, the next one. And I have my other camera set up over here in the back, trying to get a good shot of that next eruption over that pool here in the background. Oh, here it goes. Finally. Maybe nothing spectacular, but still, it is always nice to see. Next I'm going to show you the pool itself, and it's fun to watch because when the eruption is coming, it's kind of bubbling up and down, and it makes like a dome of water, and it's cool when you see it burst. I'm gonna do a slow-mo just to try to capture it so I can show you afterwards. Let's go down there again. Here we are looking at Geysir. He is a lot bigger than Strokkur, but has not erupted since 2000, so for 20 years he's been dormant. So thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure to show you this. If you like my videos, please go and subscribe and put a like on it. And we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.